In this MacrosFirst tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Copy Today's Meals feature. So you would use this feature anytime you had a really compliant day and you don't mind just repeating the exact same meals that you used to achieve that success that day. So I've chosen the date of June 14th where I had a pretty solid day of eating and enjoyed what I ate and can repeat that because I have those foods on hand. So to copy, I'm going to click on the three dots in the top right, tap on Copy Today's Meals, use the toggle to choose tomorrow, June 25th, and then hit done. And voila, the app automatically applies all those same meals to that day in their entirety. Nothing more is needed other than to just consume those foods in the same quantities that I made them that day, or I'm free to change what I'd like or swap items out or meals out as much as I want to, but at least I've got the basis of a framework for success for the day. And now you can go ahead and repeat this process for any other day that you'd like in the past and copy and paste that day to any day in the future.